Subash here, and in this video I'm going to share with you on how you can use the affirmations effectively, and by the end of this video you're going to learn 2 types of affirmations and 7 steps to powerful affirmations that will produce excellent results. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video, because the affirmation process that I'm about to share with you will get you the result faster and avoid getting stuck without any manifestation. Before I begin this video, I want to quickly announce that the free one-to-one consultation with me for the Self-Mastery online program is open. So make sure you click the link in the description below to sign up for your free consultation with me to see if you would be a good fit to work together. And make sure you comment Self-Mastery Online down below for a chance to win my digital book for free every single Saturday. With that, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 steps to make your affirmations very powerful. Most people do the affirmations. However, after a certain time, it becomes too mechanical and monotonous. When you think of a positive thoughts or negative thoughts, you declare it as your truth. Affirmations are one of the powerful ways to create your vibrational match for what you want in your life. My name is Subash and I'm an entrepreneur and the author of the book titled From Chain Smoker to Non-Smoker. Today I'll share 7-step process to create powerful affirmations. So watch till the end of this video. I used to do affirmations, sometimes with success and sometimes without. When the movie Secret came out, I learned about the affirmations and wanted to give it a go towards its full potential. I kept affirming every day. Soon after a few days, I lost all the motivation. I only did it because I was committed to doing it for 30 days. Affirmations felt like a chore and monotonous task. I believed what I was affirming initially. However, doubt kept coming as if I was cheating on myself. When I asked, "I'm blessed that I'm healthy," my brain and body told me that I'm not, and kept doubting. So affirmations didn't work for me. This leads me to search more into affirmations. I read lots of books. However, when I read a book from Jack Canfield, it really stuck, and I understood why I wasn't changing the belief system the way it was meant to work. I was only affirming and I wasn't confirming. This is why my reticular activating system didn't program my mind with a new belief. What do I mean by that? There's a system in our brain called the reticular activating system, and its job is to filter out the information. For example, if you live really close to a highway and are used to horns at night, you might sleep through the night. However, if unfamiliar noise came into your living room, you might jump right out of bed. When I kept doing affirmations and didn't look at the clues towards how it's changing me, it became robotic. I would utter the affirmations, however, nothing would happen. I would still be in the same position after many months. Once I learned how my RAS gets programmed, my affirmations got supercharged and helped me achieve many of my goals by changing myself. Okay, so with that, let's get to the affirmation techniques. There are 2 types of affirmations: positive affirmations and goal-specific affirmations. Positive affirmations affirm a positive outlook in your life and keep you in a positive state of mind. For example, I am blessed, I am loved, I can do anything I put my mind to, I'm grateful for amazing things in my life, I'm blessed with my health. The goal-specific affirmations affirm your desires, goals as if it has already been accomplished. For example, I'm grateful for enjoying my dream house. I'm grateful for being able to help 1 million people. I'm grateful for enjoying quality time with my son in his house. I recommend making 5 positive affirmations and 5 goal-specific affirmations. With that, let's get through the steps of creating powerful affirmations which works. Step 1. Make your affirmations vivid with your senses. What do I mean by that? When affirming, really feel with your heart. Use all the senses. When you affirm, I'm grateful for my health, really feel your heart working perfectly. Picture you're able to run, jump, achieve a fitness goal. Use all the senses to hear what people are saying about your amazing health. See yourself in the mind mirror that you are looking fantastic. When affirmations get charged with emotions, it becomes a belief. Please sink that in. Step 2. Make affirmations specific and small. Don't add too many affirmations into one. You can have multiple affirmations. However, making long affirmations will make it really vague. You want to charge your affirmations with one affirmation at a time. Step 3. Use mirror effect. When you are affirming, use a mirror to reflect the image you see when you're saying these powerful words. Invoke emotions, feel them, believe them. Step 4. Focus on what you want, not what you don't want. What do I mean by that? When using affirmations, use positive affirmations. If you want to be healthy, don't affirm that your cough will go away. And if you want to be wealthy, don't affirm that you don't want to be poor. Reality can't distinguish between what you want and what you don't want. And when you're programming your subconscious mind, use what your subconscious mind understands. For example, affirmations like, I don't want to smoke. It just means that you're focusing on negative aspects of affirmations, and it won't help you. Instead, affirm that you are healthy, your lungs are clean. Step 5. Do affirmations first thing in the morning and nighttime, just before going to bed. It is the best time to do affirmations as there is no resistance. You're not getting distracted, not reacting to external stimuli, and your thoughts are to the minimum. Morning charges your day and nighttime charges your subconscious mind. Step 6. Use the word like I am or me and make the affirmation in the present tense. Use the final frame visualization technique to do affirmations as if goals and desires have already been manifested. Please check out the visualization video up here or in the description below. Step 7. Confirm. When doing affirmations, look for the proof that things are working. If you're affirming for $1,000 and start getting $10, confirm that things are moving in that direction. If you affirm that you are confident, then look for confirmation in a day where you are confident. If you affirm that you are healthy and your lungs are getting healed, look for the confirmation when you are not smoking to breathe and feel the ease. Confirmation makes the RAS to start programming towards your new affirmation and belief. This simple process will help you to start programming your subconscious mind towards a new direction and opens many doors which were shut before. RAS will begin showing new ways to move you towards your goal. You'll start saying positive things around you because you'll be programmed to see positive things. I hope this really helped, and I'll be creating more videos on this kind of topic. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure you comment, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you're notified of any new video that I put out. Also, I would love to know what you thought about this video. So please leave me a comment. And also, I'm excited to announce that the free one-to-one consultation for the Self-Mastery Online program is open, where you get an opportunity to work with me closely so we can help you unblock all areas of your life while helping you to quit smoking or any other addiction, or simply helping you to reach your full potential. Okay? And what we do in the Self-Mastery Online program is we work at the core, at the subconscious level. Because where you are in your life right now is all the result of who you are. Where you want to get to, you need to become the version that's worthy of it. When I applied these steps, I saw opportunities that I never saw before. I know this is possible for you because we're helping our clients do this in their lives every day. Make sure you click on the link in the description below to sign up for your free one-to-one consultation with me. And I would love to help you in person. I'm super excited to announce that the free Facebook group is open, so you can click the link in the description below to sign up. I'll be building a community of great people. With that, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay fearless.